Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we will see how to download apps in iPhone without Apple ID. So let's begin. For this, all you have to do is go to the settings and scroll down all the way to App Store. Click on the App Store and under the automatic download section, turn on every button available there. Now the next step you can follow is, for this you have to go to the settings and tap on the profile. Now click on media and purchases section, tap on password settings. If the green button is turned on in the require password section, just turn it off and go back and tap on screen time. Scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Click on iTunes and App Store purchases section. Now under the require password section, choose the don't require option. And also do not forget to turn off the content and privacy restriction button. And that's it. Now you no longer have to enter your password. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. If you have got any queries or recommendations, feel free to reach out to us through comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.